Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid and I welcome you back. It was about 2 months now since I released my last video, and I thank you very much for all of my Paperless Movement community who stayed with me over this time. If you followed me on Instagram or on Facebook and so on, you know what happened, that I wasn't away or something like that. I was just not releasing any videos. Why? Because actually this happened. Yeah, very nice. My iPad Pro 2018 actually broke, so I had to get a new one. Well, that's a whole other story. And another thing is that I actually redesigned the whole studio. I just wanted to bring everything to the next level, and I think I finally did it and I can start doing new videos. What this means, I will show you in a sec. Here's a little teaser of my new studio. This is a question to my Paperless Movement community out there. Do you remember my very first video I made for the Paperless Movement? It wasn't even called Paperless Movement back then. It was in September 2017. So as you can see, it was very basic, but I already showed you a second screen where you could see my iPad and what I was doing. The goal for me was, I just discovered the iPad Pro and I discovered how to use the apps and so on, and I wanted to share it with you out there. And the response for the very first video was so motivating that I already made things better from video to video. I really listened to you and your feedback, and I listened what you liked and what you disliked. And after I discovered the green screen, I settled on a basic video type, or how I create my videos. And this was the thing where I just display the screen of my iPad like a projection on the wall next to me. And I know many of you like this version, and maybe you dislike the new version I'm doing here, but let me tell you this, I got the feedback that the screen sometimes is just too small. If you're watching on your mobile phone, it's hard for some people to see the projection on the wall. So I think you will really benefit from this new type of videos. What else I love about the studio is that I can actually walk around here. I can show you stuff I have. I can show you things that real stuff. You know what this is? That's my new overhead camera. Isn't that awesome? You know what this actually means? This means I can show you all the stuff I want, like those beautiful scratches. And that's not all. I have another camera where I can show you the stuff even closer. And I think that's awesome, because now I can show you the stuff in detail. Like, you want to read the text and, unboxing like this. And magic happens that I just have to open the thing and voila, brand new iPad. So you can actually see what I want to achieve here. But that's not all. I have one more thing. Here it is. A brand new magnetic wall. Isn't it awesome? I can draw faces. But I also can draw something to explain you stuff with this pen here on this wall. If I make a mistake, boop, boop, boop. And now let's go over to my editing area. Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid and I welcome you back. And here we are in the beginning of the video. So now you saw the whole life cycle of the new Paperless Movement videos, how I actually create them, where I actually create them, so it's everything a bit more real for you guys and girls out there. So I want to be very clear. Without you guys and girls out there, I wouldn't be there where I am now. You are following me, 18,000 subscribers plus. And this is just awesome. Each of you out there supporting me is just awesome, and I want to give you back. I want to serve you, I want to entertain you, I want to educate you in regards going paperless and having fun in life with technology. And without you guys and girls out there, this would be nothing, because you inspired me to come up with the new products. You brought up apps I never heard about and I had a look into, and I had the chance to show you what is out there. So thank you very much to all out of there who made all this possible. I hope with all the new things here, I will be able to serve you even better. So stay tuned. See you next time.